Hello, and welcome to Jace of All Trades. This is my project log for my Python website builder. So on my project's website, instead of having to code each project page by hand, I made a Python script to do it for me. Here is that script. Um, Basically, it'll find these input folders, and then I'll define an output folder, and then a main file. Um, these files, of course, are local to my computer, so if you want to try this on your own, you'll have to do that for your computer. But it'll take these text files. This is what it takes for the main one, and it'll split it by these little vertical lines here, and it'll find the the title, the path of the project page itself, and then my subtitle for it. And basically, it'll take all that data, and for the main page, it'll put it in this template, and it'll create a new card for each project. So right now, I only have one card actually uploaded, so it just has the one. And then it'll find, so like this is project one, so it'll find the file called project1.txt, which is right here on my computer. And you can see it, I define it by update date, update subtitle, update text, and then the update video. And then it'll split it by each of those, and then it'll assign it automatically to, it puts the update date here, as well as makes the timeline button for it. It puts the subtitle here, the text, and then it embeds the video. And then if I want to put something else that's not part of the template, I can use standard HTML tags inside of the text. So right here I have a link that takes you to my actual website, and that's right here. So you can see if I click on it, it it leads you there like it should. And then down here, all it does is it just creates the project page and it assigns everything where it should go. If you want to read through the entire code, it'll be on my website. So if I log into my server here, I can open up the main text. You can see I only have one project. That's why there's only one card. But if I open up this, I went ahead and wrote out the thing for my next project, and I can paste it in here. And then I can create a project2 file. And I went ahead and typed this out on my personal computer. Um, just copy that in there. And then if I run the script, you can see it says homepage and two projects pages generated in the path where I have my HTML files stored for the website. And if I reload it, it's right there. And you can see it's got the name and the subtitle. And then it makes the timeline buttons. It makes the subtitle. It puts all the text in here. There'll be a video down here, of course, after I finish it. And then if you want to see the code, you can press this button, and it takes you here. And it just has this code embedded inside the website. And then if you want to try it for yourself, you can copy it. Just make sure if you copy it, you have to change these to the relative paths on your computer, or else it won't work. But I think that's about it for this project log. And so thank you for watching.